Ken Block is a professional rally driver and a co-founder of DC Shoes and the Hoonigan Racing Division. He is best known for the Gymkhana series of videos, which are produced and directed by Block himself. He has become an international celebrity and has achieved immense success in the world of motorsports. Born in Long Beach, California in 1967, Block grew up with an avid interest in motorsports. He started racing in 1989, beginning with off-road racing and eventually competing in rallycross, rally, and rally raid events. He won the Rally America National Championship in 2005 and was runner-up in 2006 and 2007. Additionally, he competed in the X Games, winning silver and bronze medals in the rally car racing event in 2006 and 2007 respectively. In 2005, Block co-founded DC Shoes with Damon Way, which was acquired by Quicksilver in 2004. He has continued to serve as its chief brand officer, leading the design and marketing for the entire brand. In addition, Block co-founded the Hoonigan Racing Division in 2010, a motorsports lifestyle brand that produces apparel and accessories, as well as an online media platform. Block is best known for his Gymkhana series of videos, which feature him driving his Ford Fiesta rally cars in an array of difficult and creative stunts. The videos have drawn an immense amount of attention, with the first installment, Gymkhana 1, receiving over 27 million views on YouTube. The series has continued to grow in popularity, with the most recent installment, Gymkhana 9, receiving over 40 million views. Block has also been featured in a number of documentaries, including the Hoonigan Racing Division series, which follows his team and their efforts to become world champions. He has also appeared in the Gymkhana Files documentary, which chronicles the making of the Gymkhana videos. Additionally, Block has been featured in a number of television shows, including Top Gear America, The Grand Tour, and The Today Show. In addition to his success in motorsports, Block has become an international celebrity, appearing in numerous advertisements and commercials. He has also been featured in a number of video games, including Forza Motorsport 4, Dirt 3, and Need for Speed Rivals. What is Gymkhana? Gymkhana driving is a motorsport that focuses on precision driving. It involves a driver navigating a course that is designed to test their driving skills and abilities, while also providing an exciting and thrilling challenge. Unlike traditional races, Gymkhana driving usually takes place on a closed course with obstacles such as cones, slalom gates, and other objects. The goal is to complete the course with the fastest time and with the most accurate driving. Gymkhana driving has been popular in Europe and Japan for many years, but has recently gained popularity in the United States. The sport originated in the late 1970s and has become increasingly popular over the years. Gymkhana drivers must have a good understanding of car control and be able to handle high-speed cornering, braking, and acceleration. Additionally, drivers need to be able to read the course and plan their route in order to complete the course as quickly and accurately as possible. Gymkhana is a great way to improve car control and driving skills, as well as to have fun. The courses are designed to be challenging and exciting, and can vary greatly in length and difficulty. Some courses may include obstacles such as jumps, slaloms, and even drift sections. Additionally, the courses are often designed to include tight turns and other obstacles to test the driver's ability to control the car. Gymkhana driving is commonly seen as a competitive sport, and drivers often compete against each other to complete the course in the fastest time. However, Gymkhana driving can also be enjoyed as a recreational activity with no competitive elements, and many drivers simply enjoy completing the course for fun. It requires a great deal of skill and practice to master. The driver must be familiar with the course and be able to read it quickly and accurately in order to complete it as quickly as possible. Additionally, the driver must be able to control the car during high-speed cornering, braking, and acceleration. It is important for drivers to practice frequently to improve their skills and be able to complete the course as quickly and accurately as possible. Gymkhana driving is an exciting and thrilling motorsport that is becoming increasingly popular in the United States. It is a great way to improve car control and driving skills, as well as to have fun. The Hoonigan movement is closely associated with drifting, which is a form of motorsport in which drivers slide their cars around corners and obstacles. Drifting is often seen as a dangerous and destructive activity, but it can also be a great way to express one's creativity and skills. The Hoonigans are renowned for their showmanship, with some of the most popular drifting events being the Hoonigan Drift Series and the Hoonigan Gymkhana Series. Hoonigans also have their own unique style of automotive modification, which they refer to as hooning. This includes modifying cars with large spoilers and wings, loud exhausts, and custom body kits. Many Hoonigans also take part in underground drag racing, which is an illegal activity but can be a great way to test a car's performance. The Hoonigans have a strong online presence, with a variety of social media accounts and YouTube channels dedicated to their lifestyle. They often upload videos of their drifting and hooning activities, as well as showcasing their cars and modifications. The Hoonigan lifestyle is not for everyone, but it has certainly gained a lot of popularity over the years. It has become a great way for car enthusiasts to express themselves and show off their skills, as well as a great way for non-car enthusiasts to appreciate the art of modification and performance. It has also become a way for people to bond over their shared love of cars, and it is a great way to meet new people and make new friends. Overall, Ken Block is an internationally recognized professional rally driver and entrepreneur. He has achieved immense success in the world of motorsports, becoming a champion in rallycross, rally, and rally raid events. He is best known for his Gymkhana series of videos, which have earned him international fame and recognition. Additionally, he has appeared in numerous advertisements and video games, as well as in television shows and documentaries. Finally, Block co-founded DC Shoes and the Hoonigan Racing Division, helping to further cement his legacy as a leader in the motorsports industry. Unfortunately, while writing this video, Ken Block passed away in an unfortunate snowmobile accident in Wasatch County, Utah, U.S. on January 2, 2023. He was on vacation and his vehicle flipped over. The legacy of Ken has impacted not only the car community but the world as a whole. Ken Block leaves behind his wife Lucy, daughter Leah, and 2 other children. Ken, thank you for the impact you've had on me, the entertainment you've given the world, and the love that you shared.